Now, I'm going to show you this. This is just a compact umbrella. I took it out of the sleeve already. And it's an auto up and auto down, but it is also an inverted umbrella. So usually we're used to seeing the big ones, the inverted umbrella. What I like about the inverted is that I cannot use a regular umbrella when it's raining and get into my car without getting soaking wet. I stay dry the whole time, and I get into the car, I get soaking wet. So the inverteds are really great. You can get in, squeeze that door, bring that down, and then what happens, you just live upside down. You don't have to leave it open when you get in someplace, in like a foyer or whatever, in the garage. You leave it upside down, it's going to drain. So this is auto open. I'm going to open it, and you won't be able to see the canopy when I open it, but if I tilt it down, there's our canopy. So it's black on the top, it's blue on the inside, and it's also auto down too, so it makes it real easy. You see that just popped closed, and I can pull this down. Again, upside down, it's going to drain out, and it's not going to get all over the place, all over the car. So if you have if you have clients who have employees who are commuting, if you're taking public transportation, whether it's a bus, whether it's a train, maybe they walk to work, they're close to work, no matter what, they need an umbrella. Everyone needs an umbrella. Everyone should have an umbrella in their car. They should have an umbrella at home. So if it's raining when you're at home, you can get to the car without getting wet. Just make sure that we put it back in that umbrella stand. And I'm looking at my wife right now when I say that. But umbrellas, again, nice product that everyone needs, and also for gift-giving season, I think would be appreciated.